With uncertain times ahead of us and the history lessons of the past, it is time to appreciate and cherish family and friends. This is going to be a testing time for all of us. Feeling the pressure of COVID-19 pandemic and uncertain financial security, more and more people are looking for other solutions to calm the storm. My message isn't doom and gloom, as we live in very different times compared to the 1918 swine flu pandemic. The biggest difference between the swine flu and today's pandemic with COVID-19 is that the internet exists. This type of communication has created a source of means to do business remotely from anywhere in the world, including your home. There is still optimism and opportunity today, even with the COVID-19 pandemic. I'd like to share 2 examples of my own businesses and how COVID-19 has affected them. The first business I am seriously concerned about, mobile laser tag. It is in the public entertainment sector. Social distancing has crippled this business and its future is uncertain. If mobile laser tag was my only business, I would be in serious financial trouble. My second business is an online business. I am a digital entrepreneur. I promote products and services for other companies, create websites and tutorials, and mentor people in building their own online businesses. This business has been my saviour, because with the lockdown here in New Zealand, I am still able to work effectively from my home office. Have you considered starting an online business? This may be the right time to work on generating a second income. Do you feel vulnerable with only one source of income? Or your current business has an uncertain future? Even if you have job security, creating another source of income will definitely benefit your family's financial security and well-being. Becoming a digital entrepreneur is not as hard as you think, as long as you're prepared to put in the groundwork and you have positive drive for success. You can do this. Fear is generally what stops people starting their own business or re-educate themselves with new skills. I completely understand. I was no different. What helped me make the move to learn digital marketing skills was the system my mentors introduced to me. They had created a community of like-minded individuals, the support and encouragement not to quit, and also teaching a wide range of skills I was very grateful for. It may feel daunting to re-educate yourself, so I would advise this. If you seriously want to learn digital marketing skills, learning from a community of like-minded and experienced mentors can dramatically improve your skill set. If you're interested to learn more, whether it be to promote products online for passive income or learn to promote your own products via eBay, TradeMe or e-commerce and much more, we can help you. Even if you have no experience, you can do this. All you need to start is basic management skills and the drive for success. This includes mums and dads just like myself that manage households, retail managers, supervisors, and anybody who really wants this. Our team has created a free workshop series on learning digital marketing skills. Watching these workshops will give you a better understanding about opportunities that exist on the internet today. If you do pursue starting an online business using our resources, you will have access to our extensive mentorship and community program. And I'll also be there to help you. Clicking the link in the top right hand corner for mobile or bottom left hand corner on your desktop will take you direct to my website, Join the Digital Future. We also have a link in the description section. To receive our free workshop series, you simply enter your name and email and you can make an informed decision whether learning digital marketing skills is suited for you. No risk, no cost. The next step, go to your email inbox. You should have received a confirmation email for your free workshop series. If you can't see it, double check it didn't make its way to your junk mail. It is important to confirm you are happy to receive the free workshop series. Your privacy is also very important to us, and it is our company policy not to share your personal details with any third party, guaranteed. You have nothing to lose, only to gain, so be brave, take the step and click the link to inform yourself and make the right decision. Please stay optimistic, as this is the time for change. Don't let fear rule you. God bless you and your family. Stay safe. I'm signing off now. It's Jason from jointhedigitalfuture.com. Bye for now.